a perfectly cooked chicken along with some mushroom sauce. Hey Salam, I hope you guys do well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making chicken thighs with mushroom sauce. These chicken thighs will be pan-seared with a bit of the butter, garlic and thyme. I'm gonna serve this with leaf salad that will have balsamic vinaigrette dressing and pesto croutons. Trust me, you're gonna enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. Now let's start with the chicken. I'm using a chicken thighs. You could also use chicken breast, any other part of the chicken. Now it's best to place the chicken on a large board and then season it. This way you get an even seasoning all over the chicken. Now for the seasoning, you don't want to overpower it with a lot of spices. We got a very nice sauce to go with it, so just keep that in mind. We want to taste a bit of both, the chicken and the sauce. Now here I'm using a Hawaiian sea salt. It has a bit of the parsley and garlic mixed in. It with a smoked paprika, really good touch of that. Make sure to use a good quality one. For some earthy flavor and to add a bit of aroma, I'm using cumin powder. Here I'm using coarsely ground black pepper. Now you don't want to burn the pepper when searing the chicken, so it's best to coarsely ground it. I want to give this a really good mix. Like I said, we're going to keep it simple. Let's season the chicken. Season it properly. Perfect. And tap that seasoning. Make sure to cover all sides. It's best there's no moisture on your chicken when you're seasoning it. This will ensure we get a nice crust and your seasoning will stick to it. One of the best chicken that you're gonna try. Trust me on that. Grab that chicken and mop that seasoning. Alright, the chicken is beautifully seasoned and set aside for 30 minutes. Let the chicken absorb those spices. Alright, to cook the chicken, turn up the heat to around medium. When the pan is nice and hot, with a touch of oil. And make sure to spread the oil. And when the oil is nice and hot, turn with your chicken, always away from you. And make sure the chicken is touching the pan. Now leave the chicken there for a few minutes and then we're gonna flip it. Alright, let's turn the chicken. Bismillah. We got an amazing sear on the chicken, looks beautiful. A light touch of oil in there. I'm gonna throw in knobs of butter. With your crushed garlic and some of this thyme. Mix in that thyme and the garlic along with the butter. We're gonna start basting the chicken. Basting is all about adding more flavor, and you get an even color on the chicken and ensures everything is properly cooked. Just tilt your pan slightly and baste that chicken. Make sure the internal temperature of the chicken has reached at least 75 Celsius or 165 Fahrenheit. And now we're going to remove the chicken from the heat. Trust me, it looks mouth-watering. Now let the chicken rest for a few minutes before cutting into it. Now in the same pan, add a touch of oil. The heat is on medium. In with your onions. You want to soften those onions. Now throw in your garlic. In with your mushrooms. Give that a mix. You want to soften up those mushrooms. Throw in some of the fresh thyme. Getting nice and soft. That's exactly what we're looking for. Now let's deglaze with some of the vinegar. Some of the soy sauce for flavor. Now with the beef stock. And also those leftover juices from the chicken. Now mix in some freshly ground black pepper and we're going to reduce this down. And now let's mix in the double cream. A really good mix to that. Now let the sauce simmer for a few minutes and then turn off the heat. Our amazing mushroom sauce. Done. Have a little taste. So delicious. For the salad, I'm gonna use a leaf type of salad. You could also mix in some cucumbers, some tomatoes, onions if you like. Here I've got a mix of radicchio and red lettuce. Also some of this green Batavia lettuce and some of this green multi-leaf lettuce. Mix in some of this feta cheese. And finally shavings of some of this smoked cheddar. You could also use a mild type of cheese like Edam. Give that a really good mix. And there you have an amazing salad. We're gonna serve it with some of the croutons and dressing. For our croutons, first of all you want to chop up the baguette into small to medium sized cubes. Grab a bowl and here I've got some onion infused oil. Here with a smoked paprika, add a bit of tanginess with some of the smoked garlic powder. For some heat I'm using red chili flakes. With some of this pesto. Good touch of freshly grounded black pepper. And a good pinch of salt in there. A really good mix to that. Now throw in your baguette pieces. Now give that a good toss in the mixture and make sure everything is properly coated. Now transfer them onto a baking tray and bake them in a preheated oven until nice and crispy. Our delicious croutons. Done. So good and crispy. For our salad dressing, I'm gonna make a balsamic vinaigrette. It's gonna be a bit fruity, a bit tangy, so nice with our salad. Here with the mustard, here with the balsamic vinegar. Now slowly mix in the extra virgin olive oil and continue mixing this until everything has been emulsified. Alright, so that's looking great. Now balance the acidity with some of this honey. I'm using here Manuka honey. Now you wanna season with freshly ground black pepper and a pinch of salt. I also like a bit of the mustard seeds in there. A really good mix to that. Our amazing balsamic vinaigrette. Done. Have a little taste. Adjust any seasoning if you need to.
Perfect.
Okay, so let's plate this open with your chicken, your delicious salad, or mushroom sauce, and some of this balsamic vinaigrette. Please do me a favor and like this video. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. Bismillah, let's try some of the salad first. Along with our vinaigrette dressing. Bismillah. Wow. The salad is so delicious along with those croutons and the cheese. Alright, let's try the chicken with the mushroom sauce. Can't wait to taste this. Bismillah. Oh man, wow. That is so delicious. The sauce is so creamy and you can really taste those mushrooms in there.
You win.
This dish is so heartwarming. You're really gonna love it. An amazing chicken, look at that. So juicy. Perfectly cooked from inside out. Wow, that was so delicious. You're really gonna enjoy it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, make sure to like. Inshallah, see you next time. As then salam. Make for your mom. Make for your dad. Make for your family. Enjoy.